the I will not be doing all the questions. Yeah. Anyway, let's do the first question. Then here 2 times x plus 3 equals to 8. Right now you could remove the brackets. Then without removing the brackets, you could divide both sides within 2 as well. But my suggestion is to use this method. Then you could do any question. Then when you see a bracket every time, you can remove the brackets. So here 2 times x, 2 times 3. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6 equals to 8. Right now this is familiar. Then 2 plus 6. So you could subtract 6 from both sides. Then plus 6 minus 6 can be cancelled out. 2x equals 8 plus 6 is 2 divided by 2. X equals to 1. So we'll be doing the third question as well. Without doing the second question, we'll be doing the third question. You could do the second question at home. The third question is 2 times 2x minus 1 equals to 6. Now you could remove the bracket here. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Then here plus here minus. Plus into minus is minus. 2 times 1 is 2 equals 6. So here 4x minus 2, it can be added plus 2 to both sides. Then this side as well plus 2. Right now minus 2 and plus 2 can be cancelled out. 4x equals to 6 plus 2 is 8. Divided by 4 both sides, x equals to 2 here. So I'll be doing the, right now I did the third question. I will be doing the fourth question as well. So here 5 times 1 minus 3x equals to 20. Right now, you could multiply, you could remove the brackets. Then here plus into plus, 5 into 1, 5. Here plus, here minus, 5, plus times minus, 5 times 3 is 15. 15x equals 20. So don't forget here minus 15x, here plus 5. Then if it is plus 5, you could subtract 55 from both sides. On this side as well, you could subtract 5. So you could subtract 5. 8. Could subtract. Okay, 5. Right now, plus 5 and minus 5 can be cancelled out. Minus 15 equals to minus 15x equals to 15. Minus 15x equals to 15. Right now, we could divide both sides within 15. So minus 15 minus 15. Then here 15 and 15 can be cancelled out. Here plus, here minus, plus, so minus minus. 15 upon 1 is 15. 15 upon 15 is 1. So the other one, minus 1, is the answer. So the other question is, fifth question. So first of all, you could write down this question, and after that, try to get the answer of this one. Your taken answer and my answer can be. You could check your answer and my answer. If you are unable to understand these questions, then you could send me a message, or you could mention it in the comment section. Then I will be helping you to get the answer to teach you these questions more in the future. So right now I will be doing this one. Then 2 times 3 minus 4x, minus 1 equals to minus 19. So before removing the bracket here, we could add here minus 1. We could add plus 1 to both sides. Then applying this method of getting the answer is right now, you shouldn't. My suggestion is not to remove the brackets right now. And here minus 1, therefore it's added plus 1 to both sides. So 2 times 3x minus 4x equals to minus 18. Here minus 19 plus 1 is minus 18. So here remove the bracket. 2 times 3 is 6. Here plus, here minus. 2 times 4 is 8. 8x minus 18. Right now you could see plus 6. Therefore it is, you could subtract 6 from both sides. So simplify plus 6 and minus 6. Then minus 8x equals to minus 24. Minus 8x equals to minus 24. Minus 8x equals to minus 24. Right now you could divide both sides by minus 8. So simplify minus 8 and minus 8. Minus 4 minus plus. I mean, this one and this one can be cancelled out. 18 upon 24 upon 83. So I do not do the sixth one. The sixth one is on the same type of question is met in the sixth question as well, but a little bit different. The seventh question of this exercise. So the seventh question of this exercise is 2 times x over 3, 2 times x over 3 minus 1 equals to minus 6. You could remove the brackets really. Then here is a fraction. Then 2 times x over 3 plus into minus 2 times 1 equals to minus 6. Right? So 2 times x is 2x over 3. Then 2 times 1 is 2. This question is also familiar to you. I mean, this one. Right now, you could add plus 1 to both sides. But here, really, this segment is unable to realize instantly. So 2 times x over 3. And then here 2 times x is 2, 2 times x is 2x over 3. Then 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2. Then 2x minus 3 over minus 2 equals minus 6. 2x over 3, 2x over 3 minus 2, 2x over 3 minus 2 equals to minus 6. This is the question. So, right now we could add minus 1 can be seen here. Therefore, it is added plus 2 to both sides. Okay, so minus 2 and plus 2 can be cancelled out. 2x over 3 equals to minus 6 plus 2. Then here is a negative value, here is a positive value. Then here negative value, we write generally, then 6 minus 2 is 4. So right now you could multiply both sides by 3 here. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled out. 2x equals to here minus here plus, minus times plus minus. Both sides you could divide using 2 here. Then x equals to minus over plus, then minus. X equals to minus 6. Right now I did the, the seventh question. Then eighth question also can be done, I think, that same type of question. So therefore, I do not do that. Then the ninth question, I'll teach you the ninth question. Then 2 minus 3x over 4 equals to minus 7. So here plus 2, therefore, you could subtract 2 from both sides and minus 3x over 4 equals to minus 7. From this side also, you could subtract 2. So plus 2 minus 2 can be cancelled out. So minus 3x over 4 equals to minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. So multiplied both sides by 4, then 4 and 4 can be cancelled out. Minus 3x equals to here minus here plus, minus 3 times 4 is 9 times 4 is 36 divided by minus 3 both sides. Simplify this 3 and this 3, then minus 4 minus plus 36 upon 3 is 12. So I did the 8th question as well, 9th question as well. So the 10th question can be done. 10th question is so x minus 2 over 5 equals to 2. So here, I mean, this segment can be seen as a fraction. Therefore, it multiplies both sides using 5, like we did this type of one previously as well. So why do we multiply using both sides using 5? So as to simplify this 5 and this 5. So here 1 into x minus 2 equals to 2 times 5 is 10. Then 1 into x is x. Then plus into minus, minus 2 equals to minus 10. Really no need of writing this 1 here. Okay. So x minus 2 equals to 10. X minus 2 equals to 10. X minus 2 equals to 10. So you could add minus 2 here, plus 2 to both sides. Right now, you could simplify that x equals to 12. So we could do the other question as well. I mean the 11th question. 11th question here, 3 minus x over 2 minus 1 equals to 3 over 7. This question also can be done. And here this segment is taken as a whole one. I mean 3x minus 2 minus x over 2. Then here minus 1. Plus 1 is added to both sides. Then here plus 1. Then this one and this one can be simplified. Minus 1 and plus 1. then 3 minus 6 over 2 equals, then here this segment can be simplified that 3 over 7, then 7 means 7 over 7. 1 means 7 over 7. I mean, 7 over 7 equals to 1. Instead of this part, I've written here that then 3 over 7 plus 1. Instead of this part, I have written that 7 over 7. The reason of writing here that 7 over 7 is that here 7. So this segment also was written, I mean, as a fraction. I mean, that's so as to write this fraction as, I mean, the value which is met in the denominator as 7. So then 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 over 7. 10 over 7 is the answer here. 10 over 7. So 3 minus 6 over 2 equals to 10 over 7. 10 over 7. Really, this sum is this question really little bit different from the other questions. So right now we could multiply first both sides by 2, this side as well. Now simplify 2 and 2. So here remainder is 3 minus 6. Then 10 times 2 is 20 over 7. Right now you could see here 7. So both sides you could multiply using 7. But don't forget to multiply these two digits using 7. You need to multiply 1 time, 20 times 1, 20. So 7 times 3 is 21. Here plus, here minus. Plus times minus, 7 times x, 7x. So here plus 21. Then you could subtract 21 from both sides. Then simplify these two. Then minus 7x equals to 20 minus 21 is minus 1. Right? Wait, just this is okay. Then multiply it by 2. Then you could simplify. Then 20 over 7. Again, you need to multiply these both sides by 7. And that's okay. 7x. Yeah. So both sides divided by minus 7. Now simplify minus 7 and minus 7. Then minus over minus plus. The answer is 1 over 7. Sometimes you are thinking of that. Are we able to get the answer as a fraction? Yeah. You are able to get the answer as a fraction. So the last question of this exercise, I mean the 12th one, 2p minus 1 over 3 plus 2 equals to 5 over 9. So here also it uses the previous use method here. In here plus 2, then you would subtract both sides. You would subtract 2 from 2 users to subtract both sides here as well. Then plus 2 minus 2 can be cancelled out. 2p minus 1 over 3 equals to, then here 9. So as to get 9 in the denominator, you could write here as 18 upon 9 is 2. So instead of this 2, then here you could write as 18 over 9. Generally, this is done thinking of this one, right? So first you need to think of, anyway, you should write in the denominator 9. And after writing in the denominator 9, you could simplify this one properly, easily. Then 2p minus 1 over 3, then 5 minus 9 is minus 13 over 9. Right? Yes. 2p minus 1, I'll clean this part. Then 2p minus 1 over 3 equals to minus 13 over 9. Now both sides you could multiply using 3 and 9. Obtaining this, considering the LCM of 3 and 9, you could simplify, no worries. But when you see this one, then here 3, here 9, therefore you could multiply using 3 both sides anyway. Firstly 2p minus 1, here 3, therefore multiplied using 3. Now this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled out. 1 into 2p, plus times minus 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 time 3 times minus 13 over 3. Firstly, you have to multiply really using 9. So really, that method does not teach in this way. Therefore, I didn't use that method. But anyway, this getting this knowledge is enough. And multiplied by 3 this side as well. So 1 time, then 3 times 2p minus 1 equals to minus 13. So now 3 times 2p minus 1 equals 3 times 2p minus 1 equals minus 13. 3 times 2p minus 1 equals minus 13. Now remove the brackets. 3 times 2p, 6p. Here plus here minus. 3 times 1 is 3. So here minus 13. So 6p, it is added plus 3 to both sides. Plus 3 to both sides. So 6p equals to minus 10 divided by 6 both sides. So p equals to here minus here plus minus. 2 is 6, 10 is a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple of 2. So 5 times, 3 times. So the answer is minus 5 over 3, which means minus 1 2/3 is the answer. Minus 1 2/3 is the answer. Value of p here. This can be taken, 5 divided by uh, 5 divided by 3. In 5, how many 3 times 1? 3 times 1, 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So right now I've done all the questions. I skipped 2 or 3 questions, but really that questions also can be done using the gain knowledge. So I'll be doing more videos in terms of your benefit in the near future as well. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, subscribe the channel so as to get the videos in the near future as well. Okay, thanks a lot.